Higher self meditation is a powerful practice for connecting with your inner wisdom and tapping into your higher consciousness. Here is a 10-step guide to help you to get started. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without any distractions. 2. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position, closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths to help you relax. 3. Begin by grounding yourself in the present moment. You can do this by focusing on your breath, feeling the sensation of each inhale and exhale. 4. Once you feel grounded, imagine a bright light above your head, representing your higher self. Visualize this light enveloping your body and infusing you with divine wisdom and guidance. 5. Set your intention to connect with your higher self and ask for its presence and guidance during the meditation. 6. Now bring your attention to your heart center, the energy center located in the middle of your chest. Imagine a warm, glowing light expanding from your heart, growing brighter with each breath. 7. As you continue breathing, bring your awareness to any questions, concerns, or issues you would like to have guidance on. Ask your higher self for clarity, wisdom, and insight. 8. Listen quietly for any thoughts, images, or feelings that arise. Trust your intuition and follow the guidance that comes to you. It may not always be immediate or in the form you expect, so be open and receptive. 9. Allow yourself to stay in this connected space for as long as you like, absorbing the energy and guidance from your higher self. And 10. When you're ready to conclude the meditation, express gratitude to your higher self for its presence and guidance. Take a few deep breaths to fully ground your energy and slowly open your eyes.
Remember, regular practice can strengthen your connection with your higher self. Feel free to revisit this meditation whenever you feel the need for guidance, healing, or spiritual connection.